This is powerful stuff. You got me circling like the moon round the sun, acting crazy like a fool all drunk. Hear me, this is powerful stuff. There's no way for you to give this up. You see, your body is all in your
exactly how it all went down. It was later in the evening that the facts and the figures got turned around. True, there was a woman, yes, she did advance my way. I can't be sure exactly, but I swear I saw her say my name.